Are you struggling to grow on social media, posting consistently but not seeing results? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to walk you through a complete beginner's tutorial on Followr, the powerful AI tool designed to help you plan, create, schedule, and grow your social media faster and smarter. Whether you're a total beginner, a content creator, small business owner, or marketer, this guide will show you exactly how to use a follower from scratch, no prior experience needed. And if you are ready to save time and grow smarter with AI, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So, let's begin. Follower is an AI-powered social media management platform designed to help individuals, businesses, and agencies create and manage content at scale. Because with a follower, you can generate AI-powered text content, create AI media, manage multiple brands or social sets, collaborate with team members, access advanced features like AI viral shorts, and AI avatars depending on your plan. It's built to simplify content creation while helping you scale faster. But here's something important that we need to know. Before we jump into the free trial, it's smart to check the pricing plans first. Why? Because if you want realistic expectations about what features you'll unlock, how many users you can add, how much content you can generate, and whether advanced tools like AI viral shorts and AI avatars are included. So you have the Pro plan, which is great if you are a solo creator or small personal brand just getting started. The team plan is really ideal, perfect for growing teams, managing multiple brands who need more content volume and collaboration. And then you have the agency plan, which is ideal for agencies or larger teams handling multiple clients and needing higher output. And then you have the enterprise, which is built for large scale operations that need maximum capacity and access to all advanced features. So before you click the start free trial, ask yourself, how many users do you need? How many brands you are managing? And if you need AI viral shorts or need AI avatars, because choosing the right plan from the beginning saves you time, avoids frustration, and ensures the features that match your goals and budget. Having said all of that, what we're going to do right now is click the start your free trial. Creating an account here with Followr is super easy. All I have to do is provide your email address, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, Facebook, and Twitter and follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, so right up front, you will be asked to select a plan, but don't worry, you won't be charged until your 3-day free trial ends. So all I have to do now is select the plan that fits your budget and your goals. And of course, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. Click the start your 3-day free trial, and you need to provide your credit card information. Once you have chosen your plan, congratulations, because if you click the start creating, you will be forwarded to the main platform of Followr. Before we begin exploring, let me quickly show you something. If you prefer a darker, sleeker version of the platform, go on the top corner. You will see a moon icon. If you click on it, boom, you can switch to a darker theme. If you wanted to go back, click on it so you have the white version to have a very clean and straightforward interface. But I prefer the dark theme. And then we're gonna go to the left side panel. We start with the home. This is essentially your main overview page. It shows you the account summary, recent activity, performance highlights, and of course a quick shortcuts to create content. And then after the dashboard, you have the content scheduling. For the content scheduling, you have 4 different subsection tools that you can use. Number 1 is going to be the calendar. The calendar is the visual view of your scheduled posts. So you can see your upcoming posts by date, drag your rescheduled content. You can also generate posts directly here, but we are not going to do that because we are going to explore the post generator, which is a tool that automatically creates ready to publish posts for social media, blogs, ads based on selected inputs. Number one is you have the AI suggestions. This gives you general AI ideas for improvements. You type a short idea on different social media posts. For example, let's say we're going to choose the Facebook and then click the generate button. You can choose from generate one post, two posts. It's up to you. For example, let's say one post and it's generating one post for you. Type in your name and then complete the company website, and as much as you can put more information so that it can define your brand voice. Click the continue button, and then if you wanted to put a company logo, you can do that as well, and click the finish setup. And what will happen is it will generate contents for you. Next after that is the from prompt. It generates a post from a simple instruction you write. Click the generate button. Of course, you can choose to generate one post until five posts. And as you can see, it already suggested a post from that. Okay, click this. And of course, it takes a little while depending on the complexity of your post. Remember that the AI creates the full post from that prompt. It's a straightforward approach to generate a post based on an uploaded image. So for in our case, I'm going to drag and drop on media. Now, once the image has been uploaded, all I have to do now is click the generate posts. AI writes caption based on that product or the image that you uploaded here. It's one of the powerful tool that Followr has to offer. So after that is the from news. This creates posts based on current news topics or trending stories. Of course, you can choose from a different country, for example. Let's say, what is the current topic or trending stories around in your country, area, or region? In my case, I'm choosing in United States. Of course, you can choose from the most recent or relevancy. Search the topic for the news if you want and click the search button. Now, this is very useful for staying relevant and timely. After that is going to be from the holidays. It generates posts tailored to specific holidays or observance. Of course, you have the New Year's Day, New Year holiday. This depends, of course, in your country. Of course, different countries has different holidays, right? So you need to choose your country here. And then in my case, I'm choosing United States. Of course, these are going to be the holidays that we can choose. For example, let's say in our case, we are choosing the April or maybe New Year's Day. It doesn't matter. Click the generate posts. And there you go. You have a recently created post from the holidays. Next is going to be from Google. This uses a search-based information like trending topics or search results to generate posts. Of course, you can search for news, for example, let's say NBA, press enter. Let's see what we got. You will notice these are going to be the options for the trending news about NBA using from the Google. Next is going to be the brainstorm. All I have to do now is write a topic or let Followr generate engagement ideas. Let's say we're going to choose the Followr full beginners tutorial. Let's see what content Followr will generate. And boom, if you want to load more, you can do that as well. Now, you see that there is like a Wi-Fi indicator. That means depending on the complexity of your prompt, loading times may vary. So let's say we're going to choose this one. Click the generate post. And there you have it. A very quick content was generated using the from brainstorm. Next is going to be from questions. Similar to from brainstorm, all I have to do now is type the topic because you answer a few guided questions. For example, we have this specific goal and the AI generates a post based on that answer. And there you have it. If you want to delete, you can do so. If you want to save, it's okay. Next is going to be from raw text. This is all I have to do. Copy and paste, and then click the generate button, and it will generate a post similar from all these tools. But one of my favorite here is going to be from URLs. All I have to do now is insert a valid URL. In my case, I am choosing this specific URL. Very quickly, I'm going to switch back to Followr. I'm going to insert a valid URL, click the read URL. Now, if you want to generate a post here, you can do so. Click the generate post, and there you have it. Basically, you paste a link like a blog, article, product page. In our case, that's going to be a YouTube channel, and the AI summarizes or converts the content into a post. Now, below that is going to be my posts. This is where you can view all of the posts you've created, published, scheduled, or draft. So you can edit, delete, or duplicate posts. You can check the performance right here, like getting the likes, views, comments, depending on the platform. Since we are only posted on Facebook, if you wanted to try, let's say, connect to Instagram, or maybe if you want to connect your LinkedIn, now all I have to do is allow the access so that you can integrate seamlessly your LinkedIn to Followr by clicking the next button, and there you have it. Now, remember, since we have already connected our LinkedIn, you can check performance, link, views, comments, depending again on the platform. The media library is a storage area for uploaded photos, videos, graphics, audio files, and you can use these media from here when creating new posts. On the top corner, you will notice that you have the ability to use an AI image, AI videos, AI avatar, viral shorts, stock assets if you want it. For example, if you want to use this Jiffy, or if you want to use this, it's okay. You can also get from Canva. All I have to do is integrate your Canva account and click the allow button. What will happen is you will seamlessly access the Canva on your Followr. And if you want to use the templates here in my media section in Followr, you can do that. There are thousands of templates that you can use for any of your posts, especially for Facebook. After that is going to be the AI images section. Now, it has 4 subsections, and I'm going to discuss all of them. Number 1 is going to be the Creative Studio. The Creative Studio is a new feature here in Followr, using more advanced content creation hub. So basically, all I have to do is describe your creative. Let's say I have something like this. You also have the reference image. I am going to use this image, and now you choose the type of creative you want to generate. Is it going to be something like AI decides, single creative, or carousel? In our case, I am choosing the single creative. And then for the aspect ratio, you can choose from 1:1, 4:5, 9:16, which is advisable if you are using on TikTok or you are on the TikTok platform, 16:19 or 2:3. For visual style, if you want to, let's say, choose a minimalist clean, bold typography, maybe gradient vibrant, it's up to you. But if you can't decide, just use the AI decides. I'm going to use this one for now. And for the brand context, which is optional, you can do that as well. All I have to do now is generate the button. Remember, each time you generate contents here in Followr, it takes credits. All I have to do now is click the generate button. Now, this may take a little while depending on the complexity of your prompt. And at this point, you want to make sure that you do not use any proxy or VPN because that could interfere with the loading times. And just like that, your content has been successfully created. Now you have the option to download. If you want to regenerate, you can do that. And if you want to delete it, it's okay. And then after that is going to be the AI images. Basically, this is a dedicated to AI generated image tool. Number 1 is going to be the option for you to create new image. All I have to do now is type in your image, for example, this one. Now you can add a reference image to guide the AI generation style. It's similar to the option earlier. Okay? Now, beside that is going to be the open image editor because you can modify existing images using AI. For example, we're going to add the image right here. I am going to click this. Let's say we're going to modify, make it more handsome. Let's try what we got. Remember, each time you generate content here, basically it takes credit. So you need to be mindful, especially if you are on the free trial or if you are conscious of your credits. Make sure you have a detailed prompt instead of you guessing around. In case it failed to generate, don't worry because the credits has not been taken. Now we're gonna go back to the AI video section. You have two subsections here. Number one is gonna be the AI video. The AI video is a dedicated AI-powered creation tool that allows you to generate videos from text prompt, script, or images. The platform supports features such as text to video, image to video, AI avatars, and voiceover animation. However, some of these features, along with the other tools with a lock icon, requires an upgrade to the premium plan to unlock full access. As you may notice, Followr is a powerful platform that offers limitless opportunities for as long as you connect your social media accounts, giving you a tool and a dashboard all in one place. After that is going to be the engagement and automation so you can focus on interacting with users and automating communications. Now, the purpose of this is to increase user activity and retention, converting through automated and personalized communication. Because, for one, you have the social hub, which is going to be your central dashboard for social media accounts. Now, you have the ability to connect multiple social media platforms right here. So I have connected my LinkedIn earlier. Now I'm going to connect my Facebook account. And all I have to do is allow the access so that Followr can access your page and app insights. And after that, you have successfully connected your Facebook page into your Followr. We're gonna go again to the social hub because you have now access on the messages. For example, if you want to search them here, or of course, check the comments. You can post a comment if you want, and the contacts. Of course, you need to connect your social network as well. You can choose from any of the following. So I am going to connect my Twitter account. And all I have to do now is to authorize the app so that you can connect your social media manager to Followr. And just like that, we have successfully connected all of these platforms. We're going to go back again to the social hub because not only you can check the comments, you can also go to the contacts, you can export the CSV, and then after that is going to be the autopilot. The autopilot automatically runs the system with little or no human involvement after it's set up. And then you have the auto listing. It automatically creates and publishes listings, usually products, properties, or ads without manually entering each one. Now you can click the AI schedule suggestion. As you may notice, it gave you this name for the suggestion. You can select post by tag. And from here, all I have to do is choose the date for this new auto list rule. We're going to choose this one and click the confirm button. Basically, listings are generated and published automatically. It's like a marketplace auto posting items based on your inventory data. So this is very helpful for real estate system automatically posting property listings to multiple websites. Now, the auto creation is a new tool for you to have content, products, accounts created automatically by a system. However, it's not yet available, and we're gonna go here in the analytics and insights. Now, this provides performance data and reports. You can see the engagement metrics, reach and impressions, message response time, lead conversions, and of course, the campaign performance. It helps you measure what's working, and what needs improvement. After that is going to be the settings and configuration. Of course, if you want to check the company settings, this is where you configure your business profile and team settings. So you have multiple options here. If you want to check the brand style, or if you want to get colors from the logo, you can do that here. You can set your brand style to help the followers AI generate content that matches your company's look and feel. And for the brand voice, you can choose a topic, audiences, ages, tones, language type, and a lot more. If you're happy with this, click the save button. And then the next is going to be the integrations. So these are most of the system apps and third-party softwares that you can connect to Follower to extend its full functionality. If you want to connect to Instagram and all of these, you can do so. Of course, you have the webhook. If you are not familiar with the webhook and APIs, you can skip this. However, if you want to use this to have more control over your backend, you need to upgrade to the API keys add-on. And then the prompt, you have the follower prompt. This is going to be the default because this is part of when you have created your account. All right, the creative templates. So these are added features that you can choose what creative templates will be used when generating posts using AI. For now, I am going to select all, but if you want to select and deselect items here, you can do so. You have the AI images models, you have Imagen, Recraft, Nano Banana Pro, you have all these at your disposal. And together there with the video models. Now, after that, we're going to go to the advanced. If you want to delete your company, don't do that. But if you want, you can do so. I am going to connect our YouTube channel. I'm going to accept the terms and conditions. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications to our latest content. After doing that, I am going to the white label. This means you can rebrand the platform as your own. So you have three options here because the original provider stays in the background, but you can use your own logo, your brand name, your domain is used, clients see it as your software. It's common in the SaaS business where agencies resell software under their own brand. All I have to do now, if you want to purchase, okay, you need to upgrade to the premium plan. However, if you're not sure yet, you might want to click the schedule a call on one of the followers' sales specialists. All I have to do is choose the time and the date for your own convenience. The sales department will be more than glad to tell you and discuss more about that specific feature. Now, we are going to the media credits. The media credits are usage limits for generating or processing media content like images, videos, audio, and a lot more. For example, if you have like a 300 AI media credits, that means you have 300 AI images. Or if you want to create a 20 short AI videos, because each media action consumes credits. So you need to be mindful of that. And if you want to add credits, you can do so. Okay? Now, after that is going to be the text credits. The text credits are usage limits for generating written content. For example, if you want to write blog posts, creating product descriptions, or maybe generating captions, you can do that. It's usually measured by number of words, characters, or AI usage tokens. The more text generated means more credits used. So you need to be mindful of that. And of course, if you want to manage the plan, especially if you're looking for a more flexible and more room to grow, the Plan Pro is built for individuals who are ready to do more. Okay, so for just $90 per month, billed monthly, you get access to a robust set of features designed to support your productivity. You have the words, AI media credits, users, companies, and storage. Remember, your limits refresh after a month, keeping everything predictable and easy to manage. And if you want to make adjustments, you can simply change the plan if you want, because the Plan Pro gives you the flexibility, capacity, and control to work at your best all in one powerful monthly plan. Remember to use our affiliate link in the description below to get started. On the top corner, you have multiple options here. Number one is going to be the support. This is helpful if you want to get help, including FAQs, contact options, help guides, or tutorials, reporting problems or bugs. Use this if you are stuck or need assistance. Now, the new is basically features and updates from Followr. You can check announcements, latest content so that you stay updated with the changes. After that is gonna be the theme. Right now I'm using the dark theme, and if you wanted to get back to the light theme, if you wanted a more direct approach and a clean interface, you can do that. And then besides that is gonna be the language. It lets you choose the language used in the app or website. Of course, you have the Spanish, Portuguese. Right now, I'm using English. Now, after that is gonna be your profile icon. You have all of these like the user settings if you want. Now you have more control about your back end. And then you see that there is the affiliate section. This is a program where users or partners can earn rewards or commissions by referring others to the platform or promoting it. Basically, all I have to do is provide all of the information needed, and remember to use our affiliate link in the description below to get started with a Followr. And we are going back to the main homepage, and as you may notice, my profile is not yet fully set up. It's around 80% complete. And to maximize its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to the premium plan to unlock hidden tools and features. With that said, you'll need to complete the setup to proceed. Provide your company website, company profile, company brand voice, set the company style, and all I have to do now is finish the setup. And basically, that's it for today's video on our full beginner's tutorial on Followr. So after going through the Followr step by step, it is a solid all-in-one social media platform for beginners and small businesses. The dashboard is very clean. It's easy to schedule content. All I have to do now is post, and the AI tools makes the content creation much faster, especially if you're just starting out and don't want to overcomplicate things. What I really like is how simple it is to plan, generate, and automate posts without needing 5 different tools. That alone can save you a lot of time. Now, is it perfect? Not necessarily, because the advanced marketers might want deeper analytics or more customization. But for beginners, content creators, startups, and small business owners, this is definitely a strong option because it gives you structure and automation. Consistency is what grows accounts, and tools like Followr helps you stay consistent without burning out. So whether you're running a personal brand, a small business, or even managing client accounts, this platform can seriously streamline your workflow. Especially if you're brand new to social media management, Followr removes the overwhelm. Instead of you worrying about what to post, when to post, how to write captions, and how to stay consistent. If you want something straightforward, AI-powered, beginner-friendly for managing your social media, Followr is absolutely worth trying. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.